We just successfully added menus to our web page. So now let's see how to customize the header and title of the page. Now go back to our dashboard. Now you can actually see there is an option called site identity. Just click on site identity. Now you can see the site title. So if you want to customize the site title, I'm going to say instead of my first block, I'm going to say Dinesh Krishnan, right? So if you want to add any tagline, you can actually add a tagline. So I'm going to add the tagline called learn to walk before you run, right? You can add whatever tagline you want, so that's up to you. So display site and tagline, so you can click on it. And now just give a publish. Now just go back to your incognito mode and just simply refresh. Now you can see your header name is changed. Then in the title you can see Dinesh Krishnan - learn to walk before you run. So like this you can actually customize your header as well as your title of the page using WordPress.